Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a completely new diagram inside your account on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your account on Lucidchart, navigate back to your home section, and what you want to do next guys is here inside your team, on the left hand side click into plus new, hover mouse over Lucidchart, and from there select either a blank document or create from template. That, for example, would be a completely blank diagram, and that one here would be a template or flowchart template, for example, with customizable elements. So if you'd like to go with a completely blank one and add elements to it, select blank document, and you will be redirected to this menu here. And after that, you may either go with one of these templates from the library or simply close that window, and you will be redirected to your blank diagram so that you may start adding content to it. That's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.